Alright, so we made it back to the west side of the park.
It took us almost an hour to get here from the Rising Sun Motor Inn. But that's because we were going like 15 miles an hour.
Yeah, that going to Sun Road coming down, it's just slow. But we're here at a place called Red Rock. It's a place where people, I guess, you can jump into this river down here. There's a little area you can kind of cliff jump and dive in the water. So we're gonna see what it feels like. Apparently it's icy cold, but we're here, we're gonna do it. Nice. Alright, so those guys are going up there to do the cliff jump up here. The thing is you have to cross that little section over there. We're probably just gonna jump from here.
How is it?
Cold.
Refreshing or just cold?
Huh?
Refreshing or just cold?
Cold.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, for like the 3 seconds that you're like shocked, it's okay. But after that, it's not too bad. Melissa, you ready?
That's what we came here for.
Let's do it. So Melissa wants to one-up me and go dive at the very tip or at the top of the cliff. How was it? Okay, I'm gonna go head first and dive in. Why are you behind the towel?
Because I only have sunscreen for my face, but that was hours ago and I didn't reapply, so.
What'd you think?
I thought it felt good. I mean, it was cold, but I expected it to be colder.
Yeah, I expected it to be colder. This guy's about to do a backflip or something. Woo! Nice. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Yeah, so I've jumped twice. I jumped from this little ledge right here. That first time it felt cold. It just kind of knocked the wind out of you for a bit. And then the second time from the cliff, doesn't feel like you're kind of expecting like you know what you're expecting, so it wasn't too bad. It was just mostly the swim back that's a little cold. So yeah, it was a lot of fun.